sign rules that is applied especially in multiplication and division. So it will be like this. In bracket you write down plus into, in bracket write plus is equal to plus. Sorry, plus here, plus. Then after plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to plus. Sorry, minus. Minus. These are the sign rules, and it has to be very much fluent by you. Okay, learned properly. Anytime I may ask you, if you fail to say the answer, then you know. Puja. Write down this. हजुरहरुले लेख्नु होला, कुनै दिन सोध्छु, सोध्दा फेरि जानेन, पूजा करूंगी तेरी.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, my Google Classroom maths का मैंने तो assignment post करा है ना, त्यसैले म स्कुललाई चेक गर्न आउँछु भनेर.
ए हुन्छ गर्न ल्याउनुस् न, म चेक गरिदिहाल्छु नि. के छ र? Now we will go with the examples how we multiply. Okay. Just look at the board. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
And the same examples I will upload in the Google Classroom also. You can check out. Even the video I will upload. Okay. Now let's check the example first. Try to understand well. Example 1. Question is like this. 4a square into 2a. See, this is the question. Okay, 4a square into 2a. 4a square ले 2a लाई multiply गर्नु भनेको. Okay, how you do is that is equal to, first of all you take out that constant only for your easy work. 4 into 2. Okay, then after this base and power, this base are your variables, you take out extra. Okay, then that is a 2 plus 1. 1 कहाँबाट आयो होला? You 1 कहाँबाट आयो होला? Oh, गाह्रो पनि नि त. Here a, here how many of them a's are there? 2. 2 of them a's are there. A चाहिँ दुईटा छ भनेको. Likewise here how many a's? 1 a. That one here. During the multiplication, the powers will be added. These are the power. This is the power, no?
Yes, sir.
There is also 1 that is not written. The powers are added while multiplying in algebra. Okay? But in division it will be subtracted. Okay, powers will be subtracted. So 4 2s are a. You will write the base 2 plus 1, that is q. So this is your answer, 8a cube. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any confusion?
No,
Any
sir.
confusion? See, first of all you take out the constant only separately, whatever given, you take out that. Then after the variables with the power that you add here, 2 plus 1. So it becomes a cube. Note down it.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, यो सबै त्यसमा चाहिँ यो पावरहरु चाहिँ एड गर्नुपर्छ.
During the or while multiplying, always we have to add the powers as per the similar type of terms. A is square, here is A, here is A, so that we add that. Understood? If there would be C, then we would not added that. Understood? A square C only we could have written, but here is A, here is A. That is why power is added here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
We'll do 3 examples.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, 2 examples will be enough for you.
Sir, एउटा मात्र मेथड हुन्छ.
I am coming, don't worry. You see, even the bracket one, there will be. Have you done all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Example number 2 now. Example number 2. In which there is A plus B into A minus B. See. Don't be confused, okay? Wherever you feel confusion, okay, you don't understand, you just stand up and ask me question, okay?
Okay, sir.
See, here in this case, what you have to do is that, first of all, both of them terms, okay, all the terms are inside the bracket.
Yes.
Yeah, inside the bracket. In this case, you have to break one of the terms of the bracket. Like A plus B is here, no? We will break this into 2 halves. Like B to the also. We write A or plus A, keep that A. Then after all this bracket, A minus B you will write. Okay? A ले चाहिँ यसलाई दुईटालाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु भनेको यो भनेको चाहिँ. Then after there is plus B, okay? Plus B you write here. Understood? Plus B. Then after again this A minus B you have to write. Okay? Break this first term inside the bracket into 2 parts. Okay? Then after you multiply both by the both of those fragmented terms to the given this final term. Okay? Now A and A multiply. You multiply this inside A from the outside A. Here is plus, here is plus. Plus into plus. Plus. A into A square. In multiplication like this. A into A square. Plus into minus. Minus. A into B, AB. A ले multiply गरेको minus B लाई. Plus A ले minus B लाई multiply गरेको. So minus AB. Likewise, plus into plus. Plus. B into A. B A into B AB भयो भने B into A. AB. What comes first? AB only. Now again plus into minus. Minus. B into B. B square. Yes. Again A into A square भयो त्यस्तै B into B square. Now see. Here simplification now. Again. As per the terms and symbols. Either subtract or add. Okay? A square, only one term. Is there any A square here? No. So it is equal to A square. Okay? But here, minus AB plus AB, are they matching their signs? Symbols, are they matching?
No.
Here is plus, here is minus. It means 1 AB subtract, you will get 0. Yes? Then there remains only minus B square. Minus B square is the answer. This is how you have to do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Note down this. Then again I'll explain it.